Oh, it's here for me, Mama Joe, and then you bring Eba Asempa 94.7 Sports Night Show. And near Mutieno, and yeah, my regular host in North Wallonia Wallace, but Munya, my brother, Madi Na Abdul Hayate, President Ghana Bodybuilding and Fitness Association, President Cheetah Football Club, Ewa Kaswa, Mini na Mutie Sisia. In Bray, Martine Drum, I'm a regular host. May enemy producers, Philip Otu, the AK-47 man, Immortal, Akwesi Champon, writer Raphael, na Yatna say na yedi 27th of December edition of the Sport Night Show na yedi Bremono. In the Jumedi, Ebeko say, Yebeko Kumase, na yedi correspondent, our Asantim region. Yabefa matters arising from the Ashanti region. Ashanti Mantim in Samkika with Samuel Echampon. Yeria Yebefre some association federation womo presidents na yahwe the year in review. Yeria swa me special guest Aka in cancer or your ventural sports journalist ofi USA wabesrayen yeninu betwitwe nkomo na miwo ike wala so ewo ha eka be say 10 minutes yede edwumadie no bebe ewiye no ye bebie phone lines na yeso yagigi mu contribution towards this program ye say afi wo hwe sports ekosen ewo Ghana na wo so watumi a kire wa adwen enti midibesi ha na mako bedroom na makoji mi proud sponsors womo krato na yasaba na yabobo insama ewo ho no ye in review medam say
football is more than a game and you're more than a fan. You are just beating, heart thumping, crossbar hating, breath holding, goal loving superfan. Barclays brings you the English Premier League. You could win the Premier League experience of a lifetime, including a trip to the UK to watch a stadium-shaking match live. To enter the Superfans United competition, open a Barclays Ultimate account and maintain a balance of 500 Ghana cedis and swipe your Barclays debit or credit card to make payments as often as you can to win. Barclays, part of the Absa family. Visit www.gh.barclaysafrica.com or facebook.com/BarclaysGH. Terms and conditions apply.
Mami, akwaba.
Oh, yeah, no.
What will you buy? Soap dada noana.
Soap dada say. W. Last week, I tried Jamaba soap. The washing was kama. Hey, fragrance, lather.
Cynthia. Plenty people have been buying Jama of late.
Hey, we are all together. Hey, give me 5 bars of Jama right now.
Jama bar soap gives a fresh fragrance and more lather. Keep your clothes clean and fresh the way only Jama can. Start something new with Jama. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Jama, 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 Jama.
Double the action with GoTV Max. Have the best of both worlds on GoTV and experience the best of the Spanish and Italian leagues. See the Italian Serie A stars in action. Feel the passion. Enjoy the flair of La Liga and the goals. Yes, it's more action on GoTV. Upgrade now to GoTV Max for only 60 Ghana cedis to watch all Serie A and La Liga games on GoTV. Get your GoTV decoder now. GoTV. Live it, love it.
Yo, metie for medam say yasa babium ye call Asante region na yakofa Samuel Echampon Asante Mantem Nsamkeka na ye hwe asensema ekoso ewo Asante region. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sammy, good evening.
Good evening, boss.
Avisha Paul.
I've been commenting.
Yeah, Dayamia say afia you remove from 1st of January in the 27th of December. You share you will be 4 days. Na afino abeyrie yeti kwamu de adase na yedima trader mpon yakumpon na Asante region boy nkomo e den na ekoso Asante region.
Oh, boss, Abdul Yati.
Yes, boss.
Veda sipi yaminsha wonso.
Amen.
Na wonyo okay. So there yedi aseda ema yankopon enanyumei o ba money hisi sonko a o dia boye nyina no. Le gidi say wonso as a person your family ni bi wo wa so mo so dia aseda kese ema we tan say juma nyame na mo so di ewo kaso aho ene mranche a wapeje omo ewo kroma ne Ghana ha no e bi asenye wa enka nei ya we hwa atwumo ne sa mranche na enka ye hu omo wo yem football no and omo nso no eda wase yi pa na mame mo wabaso te ema wabamu ewo sa adwuma na wo ye nyame nkoso enhia o nanim ye nyansa ene afa hodin ka bia uhia na watumi dia ye fa adwuma na koso raise mranche no edo mo amoma no na me ma ta hodin nyame nhia o na onye okese ne mom bronya ade ne die boss me twen
men stretch kra why
bejudi
yeah
bejudi wa masompi ma mema atiefo nyina adwo na afi mema makwa banso emra Asante mantem nse show we me ankasa me ba show no so ache yie papa eti me bom abaso pa ewo adwuma moye ene atiefo nso adane da almost spend your time and no more bibia no more the show yin so no ya no more say na yen kan che almost 2019 de niam ya de ba show we so no that crocra no we may say even 2 minutes of this precious time one may see the painting omo make sure say emre no so ya na je say dem no what na de obi ano ya de ba yes as sentimental mu ya mamon akwaba emra asem ni nyina ne se ensem de ebi koso wa Asante mu ha papa de dikai e nanu ya anakumasi Asante kodoko onso kodoko na nse Africa omoko ommobra eninti omoko ana amanfo ko atwetwe monsan na ya moliga ahisi ne ye se ye nko Africa ne mu Asante kodoko so original se omobeko no amanfo sa ase kan se enkofo mu ko yede wa Africa South Africa mu kwa na mu akogu ye nyina ni mu ase na mu asa aba enu nti no monsan ana Dr. Kwame Kyene ni team se dabi omobeko ampa omuru mu no omo first round omunya walk over second one na buy and against one of original say oh we ye kra last stop omo awie ne so omo dipia na omo ene Karobangi e boy omo ko boss a draw no wa we e buy yes. Back home, the return leg, no, it wasn't easy. A very difficult game for Asante Kodoko. But no matter how difficult your game is, you not a smile, no, anymore. You better say over struggle, no qualified than say over ball. We are seeing you baby no way to make qualification. In Asante Kodoko on the day, their performance wasn't that convincing, not and yet that smooth and far more. But at the end, no. Almost 3 years qualification or more no monsaka. Na game way and Asempa kwa yate akofa baninjina no eye game processor epiem no figures na ababontin amobi ansaka and for proud to the game omo kan say omo appointed 30,300 tickets na tickets no call for 20 cedis 50 cedis and then 80 cedis. And you know, the donor shall say your calculation say say figures ye any national numbers need ya. And yet that is how much Asante Kodoko ebenya at the end of the game. Yes, on the day we are all at the stadium. So we rub about sports to the man. Of your center line, baby a yellow seat na ewana. A domino ba pa emma a cashier on chen kakakano and a anyama. Oshe green stands as quite from baby a scoreboard no one I say between the Ubi asi mfana hono. Eho de eso mo jai dia ma has wa na mo mbe ya against no. Beninti no eho no nipa na anse da ama okese. Ne mo rest time so amakuma famo. Eho so nipa pa yie pa. Ne mo ye no. So o se figure. NS no aja beto abonten na. akofa confusion kase pa e de abakuma amanfo tiemu a e se NSA fo no anna say nipa bi a omuka bi wom aye manipulations kakra because so she nipa na what you more on the day na all your young fan say ticket no na ni nyina all round na ye 20 cedis and as a nipa 20,000 and a bar stadium wa so 2 times 2 year 4 and you know amount for bisa say and can no for 4 billion 400,000 but also entire amount na mpani for declare ni nyina na almost 3,391,900 Ghana and no amount for the not just a nipa wa a bar stadium and this car on the day a bit 80 a bit 50 a bit 20 no any figures number for declare person much say or movie deductions in na Sanduroko any 235,000 Ghana na dia mata asema akofa e de abakumano but yati enye asamketwa e can say Sanduroko supporters na omutiti omumoro Christmas festivities we pa ne said na say can say that enye easy to come by omo etiti omumoro 20 Ghana ni e fear dawson no mo say catch omo say e ba for mo amuti no say go pay the money, give the money to us and go say the bear na kodoko betimi and move on na omo titi say ska we nyina so say the empenifo the disbursement na e ba na amanfo empeneso a aya argument koma bi nipa bia sori gyina say asante go sika ira omo de kwan bia so no ombekwa ko risk no na nkomo kaka madidi HSN asante ko executive board chairman Dr. Kwamiti he is also not happy with figures na mpanimfo no e dia betu Ghana because so we center line Hong Kong no so we nipa na what center line ho any figure o mo dia betu abontin number o mo dia betu abontin say sa number no na what center line ho no ama manfo bo ama papa no na buafu a wo bisa say or what the zoo, the film so by man the mass and the Goroko. Be at and the Goroko here piano, or you're ready so on one cast and Sabbath to the bottom where is Canaba, even if the team cannot fund for itself. But so ye, not quite on the first one you be big at the pass and the Goroko team to say that Bacodia. Any of Papanos are here send a board for also the committee. The committee in Sarina, or money management, you know, and Sarina, no national sports authority, you know. And fancy any normal miss almost a ticket now. Or one better chim, I say, over VIP, VIP or more printed, VVIP 100 tickets or more printed 56, and a multimate toy, VIP or more printed 5,200, a more just 1,020, and a multimate toy, over popular stand, center line, any poll let me 25,000 tickets or more printed, or much more 16,821. And omutimi eton and I say what can you now boom 391,900 Ghana titi fumas and Doroko and yet 235,000 no a yadia cofa them casia dia bakuma ye pa just to say any a Kodoko let's game beyond the Bubiano and come one Katan Kopenko formra no more metinao no more town tickets no name sports authority for MSA the sports authority for no beshe Nasi saying the Bakodia any Kodoko form for Monko for my sports authority for no and make na home meshe. It's I say figures na beto jano. A man for bo so name Kodoko management so no at the statement about bontin say figures na about bontino and no a management na die or mo your okay name supporters no how mo ko manage ma said o muti ti o mo room e decide so mo ba supporters and they ko mo money case so mo nim say Mboka, a day on the qualifications and I'm from no or next game, and also on better Boka Butte or Asempa Dr. Committee Management at the move on. It's a saying about Kodia, and I could find some Abakum, ye papa or pa, but one answer more can I say. Scano S. Scana could be baby. And it's a point beyond the first one, Pescandia, but among Famra. We hear said Dr. Committee, Nimpending Francois Tnasia, or what decided so much management, this management, you know, and a committee in system normal person cano and fa embra. Dear me, sorry, every so crano, and so Yamia the Machina, when a conversations cap draw no, a bash now, Bakumasia. If we Saturday night, and they go qualify, no. against phobia omo minimum money half for nti mamenka say half for aso regional say kwam bia so asante ko ne eto adisa he ena ebo eto adisa he wo bisa say bokonya no he na mode ma asante ko omo de omo nsem omo kan nyina ne say asante ko ne eto adisa he ena ebo mene oru ba kwa ye fe na bas oba asante heart folk omo chapter say wo kroma na asante region hana waka omo kasamafo no abas chemu a o say wa settings na wo na otumi say eye eto adisa help when the betting ayo omo house omo adwuma mo say o fa kroma ba bia kotokofo against for wono minim safatin bi no mo ye tempaye bi no mo bo mo nsem nyina a hita kroma ba bia ne setina asante goroko after draw mo opponent ombenya eye eto adisa help na we na amasa against we decide say tempaye na eso mo bo tensa na eso mo kogu tenyame na eso mo kofre se den bibi eso mo ye na asante goroko enye eto adisa help aso mo opponent bia no omo fa so mo be ye sa ade no neno na ama asante goroko so section of their supporters say omo so regional omo nka so omo sure eto adisa help nemum to omo against for aso regional say opponent we no mo padia mo mo de na ekwan bia so no omo so escape omo enu nti no omo so se so omo ko bompa ye se so omo ko gunsan se so omo ko ye do omo so be make sure say asande koroko ebe escape to adi se ha nti wo ba kumasi a asem a aso regina ye pa draw a nyame adoma chena ba so no draw ni nyina ene say a session of football fans or mom pass and go to mom progression. I have do one attack or more has for because or more do money half for HMA Kodoko any to this and able. See I draw no see any your modu mama could opponents that and no nas and do supporters no should be sorry or much more so original not one beer. But for some mass and go I escape that draw no at one or more against what Pediamum can be so ombe ede free one. Ti yate nsem de bi wo ho dem we nsa wo mbre ne time wo na mfa ba ko bi ntimu a
minua koso for last one to man.
Okay, any ma menfa we mra ye nyina ye nim say former president Kufo ne cap bi wo ho a say e battle initially nenka the two giant clubs from Morgan akodoko ne has nemom nsem bi ama ye say akodi as good any asante ko konsi na as good for ahoboabo omo de eba for game we no enya asem get one nanka game na eba so na say we hear some penifo atwe e de ekọ omonim kaka ni nyina ene say otumfo tikokọ so asante hene doctor otumfo HMO person oba no no ankasa be grace occasion no until he will want to be there and no na ama postponement no aba no na as good for ye niam bi a amani pa bi chemu a omo nhwe ye kaka esense se asante ko kwa nhwe ye no mo koye ye bo Africa yakochi Carabani for asho munti ye wo form an sha as good ego mo ho apo as good alanchi omo new cater omo chemu a omo de sa kit na e ba be boss agimbu e na fe preparation mo sa ye no ama sa abo asante ko team no hu kaka ne no e na ama asante ko nso omo peli for mo da omo no any supporters omo be omo kaka ne chemu a omo nhwe no mo prepare ye pa fanko rua game o sense nanu game o mboy no o mo ense da hu so ani nti o mo prepare ye no mo fanko rua game o se de beye na asante koroko ebe wuni ku for cap no e de amom nti kodoko so ni abrese preparation o mo de kono enye asante to na kodoko next game o mbo e wo Africa no e na game position ho nsema na hu peja yi nti no e se nsema e ba kumase no anu odin kwan asante kodoko e be fa so abosa game no both home and away and no one sem na eba na ma memfa we ntwim say asante ko Dr. Kwamite e share adwuma na se no kame say o ma playing body ni Philippa ni pani bi chemo o mon ka se papa na ma playing body ni Philip ni mum onye careful kaka samba kan ya FA Cup asante ko e ball papa na fan season mo say had to fall by 3-0 e was some sports stadium final edge no papa na ma each player 5,000 Ghana. Na say omutu kwan ekọ Kenya for this game omo boy. ɛno nso no pɛ dɛ mu papa no tietia de ma players no ne ade ɛno ɛna nipa no bi bisa sɛ papa no sɛ eska na wotua no otua ɛde atase Asante Kotoko team no ana sɛ dabi bɛba ma papa no sɔre agyina sɛ me bokawe nti mo fa misika mame bi kra o de Asante Kotoko team na to aso akogina court said the Dr. Kiki Sapon e de Asante Kotoko aye no nti nipa ni bi kire mu a omo nka said the man should motivate the players nemum ne motivation no on hwe ne yie se ebom so omo nyina pesa Asante Kotoko ewini no omo ko omo ni nemum edu ba bia ese ska bi wo ho a wuyi a ya na ano odin dodo se yeska wuyi and that bua konta se me you should say in from misika mama dia and papa no hwe ne ma bi kaka nemum so yiska no dia te dia ene opoku na anya ne nku so de betra na fusu a wo ha on say nti science no so no asase e peja ba se Dr. Kwame che yiska no no wo yi dia che dia ene won ko na nim sa nemum say Asante Kotoko sika na ska bia da bi obetwa no ho abeje wa Asante Kotoko ho dia ene papa na enhwe no wonhwe ne ma bibie kaka eje opanyin ma menya mu mfama me mmom abaso e wa adwuma a mo bo ye wo se mu nyina fichapa na fi yenkan ye tiefo no nyina se next year and then 2019 na ye wram no show wi enya asem keto mo adwuma ewiase nyina yitie mo ye fa me same example.
Well, Minua Same made us say one my very comprehensive report if he Asante man team. Na kakra mekani say mobile kakra say in Ghana no ye ni system say supporters core stadium yet to me monitor say this is the number of supporters are woma kum so that ye inche ye to me a quantifier supporters on Mako many Sikai Ebenya na yewie National Sports Authority aba out if a statement say Sikei Nenya fee gate proceed and supporters say there be looking at Wama Omoko Stadium no ye fee say in Chede nya ebrosa me fee say there is about time about age on mine no you get serious with your football now you're putting in place system you bet to me control this type of things. If I draw now a so Confederation Cup draw never basso yamia do much nano. You see a draw. I don't know baby hassle folk and now supporters one more against Kotoko. Eko who say a 12 decide now Kotoko no
Kotoko opponents by Adana almost a second goal. And once when ball no to at against for the status of more.
Very interesting. Well, very interesting. Yeah, as Ghana for the you bet we say your friend is Kotoko ebe call into this draw na womenya relatively weaker opponent and yeah easy so be a call
man for Kroma and Ghana for Akuma that is how it should have been. Yes. As Ghanaians.
Okay.
And you was for us and you know but all your house no house will be quiet. Or when you have Brenham Kroma ready say so will you be a mock of a very difficult opponent in a try to no more free more.
Anyway, from a position I meet CCI Mia Kotoko Nimu, but we want to wish Kumasi Asante Kotoko a good draw tomorrow. Now, me feel say U24 Cup no so no. Looking at Ash Gold match now Omani Kotoko boy recently no. Home and away, you know, and then looking at this 2-4 Cup Kotoko ni performance Africa recently, me feel say a very good game for us to look at. Dr. Che, they now wukan no about paying per diem many 5,000 and saying be ordinary players na there no.
Winning bonuses now.
Me feel say your motivation, but they said that okay, there should be accountability after every way, and you say Ubi Sikana or China, you can't account for that money. Say they assign a 2 years Sikana back amount. Now the right account is not there now. I'm say Asem. But me Samuel me da say waji na waba Asempa 94.7 Sport Night show no so na wapema ye sa comprehensive report ya mishra ya mawo official pabium
ya mishra mo no nyam kase bata nyata obeye ya mishra na me ronya ate no wefa adu
mensro chire bi re program no pe wo de
mishra no nyo botom ne
bate mensro chire
ye jina ye di ho kakaka eki ya fast na bata titi ya nyata me sa ba shodo mate me bo abasa so juma wudi enybre enya atem geto nya mishra no nyo kase
amen
all right.
Well, yenua Samuel Echampon ina odi Asante Mantem in Sankika Efi Asante region edi Ebranye. Now me guest back home in Kensen aka oye venture sport journalist of USA ina wabe sraye. Na mebisano ono so na adwin nsema sami edi amayen yimbrain ono so na adwin etrese. Minua ma good evening. Yamna duma na wo say
my tea for self in Siapa.
Africa over to in. Well, em say wutie yenua Samuel Echampon efi Asante region. Wajintre ewo nsema odi nsembe say 4 ene na de 2 ho. Efa sika na epie gate proceed. Kotoko ene wo mu seso a wo mu fi Kenya eboye no. National Sports Authority eba out beka say womunya be say 390,000 that's Ghana sikada dam be say 3.9 billion na enmu na ede kotoko enya be say 2.5 billion efim na yesi supporters no enye very certified with your friend is saying amount na National Sports Authority I declare Ebiom osa kan yame aduma ochina draw Confederation Cup draw baso na ono or specify say has of folk supporters wish say kotoko benya etwa disai yame aduma sa draw no na osa kan the third issue okan no Kufo Cup no say Ash Good Ariata so say ombetre Kumasi Asante kotoko say Abuakese no ewo ho ansana ebia kotoko ebaye na lastly okan about sikana Dr. Che eyi edi motivated players no em say section of the supporters are not happy say oyi say CK ochina obebe ka say odi kotoko court na womatua say sikana ama no ana ebeba say a gift na odi edima Kumasi Asante Koroko. Inti mayenji wajitre ewo nsem odi
who say sawe na okanaba omuhu sikadudon eko beyond football. Say Africa, the whole world, sub-Saharan Africa ni here. We are seeing UN say any World Bank so here come from. By any here if you say government need to me digit taxes. One who way baby a co-ending. Just say football cry nipa ye nim say 20,000 coin no ye hu sika dodo inti the whole Ghana want to free say nipa say no tax it na here and if you say 39 highly indebted countries say we are in 33 or West Africa sub-Saharan Africa well into Kumasi Sports Stadium into me hu sika dodo ajeje ya if we say at the end of the year buy sika be no nya it na there be alone no you if you say country be a cost no so raise money within taxes near the your money and World Bank loan and no koja interest no 50 years no tiange well inti yentumi bo keke no near wasemo or and the kwame chia there so supporters doubt to say we in a loan or gift na no crave we say ye hu be ye be free hop say o ye chairman there ya okay but time e be pam no o si me bo mo besia inti so mo lawyers so ho so mo chiro say besia na gifter and you say 2 years time ye pam na o si kotoko dinika yɛhu saa nti ɛno so supporters
ni ofi say they declare say a gift na
and the omunya ho papers into so mo legal way wo kotoko meboa and lawyers nim kra chro keke say in be 5,000 cedis na medima each player no in be 24 times 5 no a loan it is a me free ho amaji na 2 years time amaji benye sa something ni kopamo o china o si kotoko duka ba ku ni ebi de no ni opoku nti ho no your friend keke is upon
oh yeah keke is
o ye bi o si kotoko di ni kai na on so say gift well say me ma bro nya dia say a gift ba ya pam nya we say veji misika de no de so mu kire mu ye e say boy a business when your family way say ono ani kotoko ye ni family way de obetu ya say omunye but we a business professional team there some here in legal ways and say against bagbo ni there dada de ye ho yeah say has the kotoko ba me dem hu ni sa Ghana na me hu ni sa every say me no Masha House of Folk African Cup more than the Masha Kotoko ni from Mama Kwanmuta me support to her your damn tinum. If you see a case House of Folk of Ghana, meboa Asante Kotoko of Ghana. It so far as a cup ne Ghana there. Club will be all coming me support to no but House of no pesadian. Minim sa ya baha. Kumasi ubo say Alaji Grusa no no Zamalek and new almost friends of Zamalek. Opoko fu yenu time titi ade wo say na large groups say na economists ni it is Zamalek for ni bar onu ne di onu mani mo ko bompaye wo Masarachi bibia onu mesha kotoko it is anya mane ho dada ba mi fi say nje ba onu be ya fine say ne sports sanet you bia betumi aye de ope ba mi fi say Ghana club ko there so support me ya ni has ba na me against ba has ko Africa me support has
oh okay na uwo bibi kan efa your friends president cup for
kuma pem anyway kuma pem beba ni abo akese yeah se kotoko ye masters as good there enye na kura nko mu si de kasa kotoko ho sa iti almost see agroni form iti agroni form onu me se kotoko ni ahwe me kotoko na ho na I'm not into it inti say me different the kotoko pass e ko share as good there enya dia who's a Ghana Shesa Kotoko African Cup 20,000 fans.
Sir.
Okay, we sir. 20,000 years your times your time secondary school. Fans 20,000 secondary school games. Kotoko African Cup like 60,000 fans. And no choice interesting here. But as goes free on be Kotoko agroni from onu be Kotoko ni enhwe.
Okay, minua mida say any wo submission with your my efa your friend is saying kasana ye nua Samuel Echampon edi maye efi Asante Mantem mu yebeko na yeji ekatuo kakra na yeba yeni president of the Ghana Fencing Association Mohammed Mahadi Bedin Komo. Well, I'm say Madi ewo line no so dada. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Madi, good evening.
Good evening, my brother.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How about you too?
Very well, very well. Happy festive season.
Many happy returns.
Okay. Well, you are welcome to Asempa 94.7 Sports Night Show. This night we are looking at sport in review, and as a president of the Ghana Fencing Association, I would like to ask you what is your take in regards to your association performance in the year 2018.
Well, good evening, viewers. I would say it is really an honor for me to have a share with you regarding our achievements over the year 2018. 2018 has really been a challenging year for us, but notwithstanding it, we were able to manage it and then participate in almost all of our international events and also organize an internal event as well. You know, why I said it is a challenging year is that we anticipated support from government, but it never came. But we were able to represent the nation at the Junior African Championship with about 12 athletes, which is being sponsored by myself, and a lot of support from the association to Nigeria, and it was really successful. We had one medal, and then the overall team ranked 4th in Africa. We were also able to support one of our athletes to participate in the Senior African Championship, which was in Tunis. And I would say these are the two major tournaments that we were able to participate. And also one of our junior athletes also participated in the Junior World Championship at Verona, Italy. All is being facilitated by the association. So this, and then finally this year, towards the end of November, we were able to organize a giant international tournament. That is the Hungarian Ambassador Cup in Ghana, together with the Hungarian Embassy, inviting the Ivorian national team and also schools across the nation took part in this championship, all being organized, supported by the federation. So I would say it is actually a challenging year, but it has really built an indomitable spirit in us and know what is really ahead of us. Yeah.
Well, my brother Madi, I share your sentiment. I'm also the president of the Ghana Bodybuilding and Fitness Association, and I know what you're talking about, being the president of Fencing Association and then not being supported by the government in terms of your African travels and then championship. But help us, our listeners want to know how long the sports fencing have been in Ghana.
Well, fencing has been in Ghana for over 6 years, and ever since we've been able to participate in almost all major international tournaments. Last year, for instance, I want to take listeners back to last year. Last year, we were also able to represent the nation at
Asempa FM.
At the African Championship. We had 4 medals. We had 2 gold. We had 1 gold, 2 silver, and 1 bronze at the Junior African Championship at Cote d'Ivoire. It also being sponsored by the association, that myself, and then partially by the association. So the Fencing Federation has been really new in the country, but I tell you, our achievement is a hallmark because currently we rank 27 in the world. That is our world ranking. So meaning strategically we've been able to move Ghana into the world ranking and being able to manage it to where we are now at the moment. Yeah.
Well, let's keep pushing. Let's keep developing the sport in our own small way.
Sure.
Again, you have the platform. Tell us, what is your association plan for the year 2019, and what do you want to say to the people of Ghana in terms of any message that you have, your New Year or Christmas message? So just combine these two for us because of time, as in the plans for your association come 2019, and then any message for the people of Ghana.
Well, I would say 2019 is really a peak season for us because it is a year of the Olympic qualifier. So Ghana Fencing Association is actually preparing itself to embark on the qualifier for the Tokyo 2020. So meaning we have the major tournaments ahead of us in the year 2019, and also the forthcoming All African Games. So it means that 2019 is really a busy year, and we cannot do it alone. We are just appealing to the corporate Ghana. We are also appealing to the government. Though we have confidence in the government that it's going to be better in 2019, and I hope we wouldn't be allowed to face these challenges as we have faced in 2018. We appealing to everyone, to the media, to every corporate Ghana. Silver Star Auto, we are very happy and we really appreciate all you have done for us, the Hungarian Embassy, and Asempa FM for giving us the platform and giving our, our corporate sponsors the mileage they needed in the promotion of our discipline. I would want to say that they should keep up. We should never give up on us, just as we have never given up on our sport. We believe that the corporate Ghana, the athletes will still have the confidence in us. Yeah.
Well, my brother, thank you very much for your time, and we'll give you the platform sometime soon again.
Thank you so much, and God bless you.
I feel up to you. Well, Muhammad Mahdi, president of the Ghana Fencing Association, and yetini can say Omaye the AC ewo Ghana Fencing Association afiwe mu na okase womudi 12 athletes eko Nigeria for the Junior African Championship. Womuya 1 medal in all no Ghana placed 4th. Ibiom okase womudi 1 senior athlete echo the Senior African Championship ewo Tunisia mu. All in all no wotie na asema na akwa say womu bon mo ho modern bia but the challenge now womu komuni say aban and supporti omu as a lesser known association. Wo yebe call your Facebook comments bia aba your Facebook page, so because show ya muti live on Facebook Asempa 94.7 FM on Facebook. Na Shaku Ahmed say watching live from Germany, Hanover. My boss, hi, you do all. Please, we House of Folk fans need daily news from our club, as you do for us every time. Bright upon in the ebaye, bright upon ankasa say balance 8. Into as in when na most of the obisu Ediaba Ibrahim Abdullahi say try decide pa die kotoko you should start packing. Obisu say yesremu yanka say kotoko ya di try decide ediamomu ye say House of Folk supporters na say womu pese kotoko enya try decide obisu say kotoko die keep up the good work, bro. Nana our tree ediaba your friend say okay me say you be so your Facebook messages are yenya so far ni na mami call me guest no ho director your friend is saying Madi ekasa earlier on no okasa efa challenge a wo mu face ewo Ghana ha in terms of lesser known sports or least finance sports. Womu supporter womu nya efi government. Now we shall say as an association with the 12 athletes call Nigeria, flight, accommodation, feeding. Na seni na befi the president of the association Nibutum na was sponsor another athlete call Senior African Championship Tunisia ni na yesika. Na me kai say your current sports minister Eka say he will be the sports minister for all sports.
Yes.
Where we concentrate mainly on soccer. We soccer some support do go for the sports like boxing, hockey and other stuff. But meaning pass a National Sports Authority, will be 34 sporting discipline, and out of the 34, every year be also you reading national budget. Sasikano ekohin, and they be all these sporting discipline. Kamiko America say be 30 of them. Say we take care of only about 4 and 7 or 10 of them crap on, and the rest of the sporting discipline. Sikana national budget ya really the sports there among na de bia the lesser known sports and at least finance sports complaining say challenge asema ye nua madi kai no also wadi njre ni de
me mom there I wasn't surprised mom if you say the first time I'm at this Ghana your fencing team about 70% of Ghanaians only knew their friend fencing no unumuza fence no ko jina bontin there ne fence no we be ka say ojo garden ho pinning fencing. Minimum say our fencing team crowd. We say 5-6 years. Fencing here. One who say Crawford Munich the sword or country set it no. Fencing. Ghana for pinning. It occurs are buying involved. No, I'm not surprised. If it's a boxing crowd now, you're popular. Boxing in America, a GD's Magana in football. Football a train about GD international. In boxing in America, a GD Magana. About 4 years ago, I'm Commonwealth Games be headgear. No crown no money be. It's where you need the no Maui. Where you need the headgear. Headgear, baby, $25. $25. I might need be. It almost share the same way. About $7. Me, I'm not surprised. Fencing sports minister could be on Madicro. It you recently. It your demo. So meeting sports minister. Oh. Corporate bodies no so I saw Mubua KFC na ya we na mfa bimra or mu support your cook Ghana needs to come the ground no to cook almost sponsor so mu yama western countries no McDonald's KFC cook no no almost sponsor it ni na sports minister na juma so go around with these companies no Mubua see you spending your money with them so Mubua now buying so with me amount taxes kakra right who sponsor team be I say we have about 15 to 20% tax break and we are millions so to them no it are buying so bet me assure no almost support your sports no.
Okay me nua me da wa say MC baby a yedu no ye be call na yakoji ekrato kakra efi me proud sponsors ho we chabi ana mani aje we chabi into mani aje rof me num be mama humeka anya humeka ntima ye fine
If you do what you are menum, and Yama appeal for, so do to a free 0561 200 333 and at 0504 499 977.
And what drinking spots be
and don't go beaters, a demufua.
Asempa FM, for the love of the game.
Origin bitters dear a yen dear mo. A been for now to Amubuasi, a de habama and anwa. Helps womu kama ankasa. Nana ubeti say helps you. Helps womu. Enti muside. Drink responsibly, not for sale to persons under 18 years of age, not recommended for pregnant women. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Mommy, please leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ima ban suakana, oban suakana. Jaminam de minu medru na menda. She. Ufise minim se tramon ekita wono. Minim tramon, minim jandushi, minim madara. Unti me fam fufu enda ni me kwaye. Ma. O trende. She di oche.
Tembaya, me a trama.
Me see efe me ma tembaya nse me din.
Oh, mama kasa trama do na ekuta me mim no kro. Manum bida. Na no am num bia me say me dey sa dey ese me ankasa.
What you assume? Yes, the burning cat here.
That ma biti me na me person me call.
Traffic bina.
What's all this? What's all this? What's all this?
Hey,
driver, if we go past the traffic, I beg, step on top, I beg, eh? I beg, belt on 30, actually, my mom 20, right? Oh, oh, G29 sound, G29 sound,
Oh my God, let me take your selfie so that I'll be the first person to share this on social media.
Share, nipe wa wisi selfie, di Ghana kwani ya beru.
Asempa FM.
Ama ya regulatory traffic no hwe moto driver no o de mreka agigigigigigigigi awu bo so wa moto no awa moto no
aw she no ho fe obi ba na ko worry ya ka ma ware no aw she no ho fe e dwaman
Do the right thing at the right time. This has been a Asempa drama series brought to you by Trendsetters. Minim say agroya ya there. Enti mimi ndebia shayen 8 to 9 p.m. Ewa Asempa 94.7 FM. Trendsetters. Trendsetters.
Sister waitress, Mr. Present to whom table when I'm in move be why.
Me pacho mini.
Good. One who negus now, woman cheese be a table when she had to say by the fireside or corner honor.
Me pacho ane.
Good. Now what about a guy now on a giving support joint honor?
Me huno.
Wonderful. Now a dear bitters necessity womanima one more sepina corner if you trebians ano.
Me pacho a kakai 777 bitters for fronwa.
Hey, na bitters he bad a benya just sporting in our boss with pieces will be a table so high.
Eya Kingdom Beverages and Safufra Woma ye and say yama engagements ne party ase outdoor ne a year sinina se kakai 777 bitters yipwe honum say ya and sunumo.
I see. Na se Kingdom Beverages Limited at the kakai 777 bitters aba. I'm a man for watching a dog one. Na meti ha chi go slow. Ye fast na bremi bi.
At to phone fre 0244 805 415 and now 0244 803 899 at your phone sunum no mon kai say yenton emma won mu a won dum fie dum woche enye emma apemfo ene emma won ma nufo
Say o pebites original ubenya
Asempa FM
Origin bitters dear a yen dear mo. A big for not to a boase. A de habama and anwa. Helps womu come on, Casancasa. Nana, who bet to say helps you? Helps womu. And Timusine. Drink responsibly. Not for sale to persons under 18 years of age. Not recommended for pregnant women. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Neba be ware ono me de lete ene be ware wo be go ware na ko baby be gu no bra wako bodwaman awo ye wo ye no woni dwaman obi obodwaman pepepe
aware owe anya by force
me
hey emomodo sa na to da pa twa pa o
next door neighbor oka so nengo ana mbesha de me so ayo hwehwe me nse bi odi bi ne me hwehwe how enya bo me mu iti mi ji me ka me ji ne chi ko de ho na me ntro ata ade a me hwe na enye ese ana me ji me kapie tie me tie a me ni me kun papa onse ompini mo jame me so me se me ni be me nya fe
enti aware e be ye ni emre na be kire ye hia wa aware go se ni bia na divorce court me din e de judge bakatu manson efifie da jun buso me ne da to so wotwe ene fie da biara efi no ndu kopem du mienu ye de dwumadi ya to ni din aware go se ni bia na divorce court e be bremo na dwumadi titi ni se e be siesie o hawo ketenkete ene tawantawa ya da adafo ntemo sa ya aware pa anampo se sabe empna ware na ofa biara no nhehye kakra e wo ho
nda me ye mbenyin no matter hot na ebe ya manimpo nenyin so me kan no kwa nya menyin mutumu tabi be se na se be 1 hour
Bobby that's a big line ensema e be pense mu dodo na ye ensema e koso aware bebre mu se obi afa na yere anani kunachi berema obono de yere empo ema no binum ebono won kununum atete ne adwodwu awarefo binum efa mu ene ensema etete saa ene berema ne yefutufo cancel throat abe o ha mpren dodo na ache na adwen se awarejayo sanya awarejayo odi ehia ye e wo divorce court
wo Saturday wia ya dala che ya dia godie mun semeti apo na twetempini si to mun che Sports Avenue 1 bia wo commentary interview abugafo ji adwapen semono pomasi bra won so nya kwanya be kire wadwene
for the coast na coast football does coast football exist in the world anymore in the advent of academies who abeka see in develop coast biano we are cake
sana odi kana semfa papa dabi
omutie wu ensa emba obefa nemo obeye no sa train okweni na waste
akoda so man ka render park na ka bluetooth person was a penalty bluetooth na man say 3-2
say innovation
no why besi
Anthony Buffalo today I'm going to push you to speak tree
Mikachi and Kakra there we go you make sports always very interesting and enlightening but, once again medasi
intime minute ni minute de bia 3 p.m. Chiame kejuwa nankasa
Asiedu Bwedi on Avenue 1
Wo etie for Misama mo ajo embre ewo Asempa 94.7 Sports Night so CCA yebeko ahoma so na Minua George Lamte, President Ghana Boxing Federation, etwetwe ekomo. Minua Mimao, good evening, Eba Asempa 94.7. So
good evening.
Your friend is saying you very well say Afi Boxing Federation you're very very busy. Afi 2018 more a lot of activities. Fire call activities are more na my Ghana for so our mutia Asempa embrace sports night na wamuso enya akonya NTA the Boxing Federation mutumi yeah.
Thank you very much. I say I feel you started free. Yeah, residential camping and non-residential camping for Australia. You Australia, you can one Bronx out of 78 countries. No Ghana be 38. You see, yabo your modern. Yeah, but so yeah, referee course, yeah, referees and judges course, yeah, coaching course, recurrent training for coaches, yeah, individual championship. You're inviting all the regions. No, I'm now 3 days for a car sports season. In TCC and Amikasa, you are selecting 41 black bombers. This is almost yet training war. Agona, almost yet training war car sports season. I feel we so about a week ago. No, your honor Ambassador Kwako. When you're 83 years, why he has done a lot to Ghana Boxing Federation. Through him now, who is the current champion, no, through Ambassador Kwako, didn't call Olympic Games. And finally, because of the year Feast of Fury, you are called week 6. And when now says Ghana Boxing, call ye, the government, ni minister, no say. I feel we don't want boy say boxing back ye.
Yo minua George Lamte midase. Na your friend is saying activities here would dia to ye nimbe bre yi moko Australia motumi ye mo judging and coaching courses. Ma selecti be say 49 boxes. Mo ahona Ambassador Kwaku yena yenim eboa odi aboa boxing ewo oman na we na activities na no mutumi nya funding ewo hin etumi carry on with this event here.
We na no yenya funding kakra free Fuel Trade Company Limited Mada Product Company Limited, Madam Omuye Soup, Honorable Mayor of Accra, Honorable Ajesoa, and also Otaye Chipa, Honorable Lord Comey from the Office of the Presidency, and also Otaye Chi. Now, like I say, individuals who are boy pa na we activities na.
Well, me jina wane mu na me da all these individuals any company womo eba masoye ebeboa mo because sport in general no it is very challenging to get support na say Lord Comey any ade so wane mu individuals mo atumi aba na o matumi
consult and rapport 4 of the boxers platform ye Bokum Boxing Arena. I won't say ye professional boxing and no dance promotion. You read that and say 4 of the black bombers platform the war into a more exposure into Dana Simaye.
Okay, ura ye dawase say what to me efi wa wondi mu Yankupon de share na wotumi eboa boxes say na ye hwehwe say yebenya individuals wombetumi ama corporate support because at the end of the day say uboa sporting discipline bia then you are actually helping a lot of nkofo to actually move from the street and then say ombenya bibi aye. Na minua your friend is saying afia yekɔ mu yakupon ya aduma 2019 all African Games and qualifiers for Tokyo 2020 Olympics. Uhia boxers are maseleti from your earlier kasa no woka say mo maseleti be say 49 boxers are mo training ewo Accra Sports Stadium. Uhia boxers no woma ready for 2019 all African Games and Tokyo 2020 Olympic qualifiers no. Uhia boxers no woma ready ana.
Yeah, my boxers no those your friend no woma ready. Most of them are Feast of Fields. So, secondly, so they be almost non-residential training. It's almost 41. No, yeah, here about 10. It's say team no or that. It's dissolve team no. Still the national champions almost qualify. Both at the say just Latin no offer bronze for Australia no. Why do man also offer bronze 2040 our team no. Yawado. Also, our team no Australia no be yanya few ones almost one by almost challenge. In the answer now no, because say by April May before you be say we black bomber no we come water weight, we black bomber or come middleweight, and now we black bomber or come flyweight. They say almost 41, almost go through the process. In the say Americano, Ochina almost free, almost go agona straight road. Central region almost ye boxing war. Nti your team no to call no omuko kunwo na omu nya more exposure nti the mechanic any
yo minua medawasi biom na em say bronya yi kra po mudini na ye preparation na mugo so because ochina mugo swedro a na je say preparation na muwo so na obetumi a sure Ghana for say you call all African Games na you bet me qualify ako your friend is saying Tokyo 2020 now all African Games no so you bet me the medals abafia na
all African Games no you call you bet me the medals abafia na about my qualification ako Tokyo 2020 yes coach Asari Akaineti Coach Queenie, Coach Akunato, another one. And see, my boys no training. The boys no so Obia per on your champion. And see, because of the word omonimo Obia training say Obenya say also Obefa Bibia Magana because if you are a professional, say fair boxing profile no one time African champion, one time Commonwealth champion, one time Olympic champion no a boost on more and see. Na ye target say by hook or crook ye bet me Morocco no ye bet me qualify say ye nyame that for Morocco no and then have pian ya call Tokyo Olympics 2020 na me boa me 100% sure say Morocco no ye benya medals for na a qualify for 2020 Tokyo Olympics no
yo minua medals na answer na meja na wakono wo last message wo de be ma Ghana for obia etio into Yamau platform. This is a big platform. Asempa 94.7. Yamau this platform. Our last message Udima Ghanaians anything.
The last message in the Ghanaians say Amonta Yachi or boxing. Asempa FM. Ya throw letters the Brahma different corporate organization. Amon boy na yet we have boxing no call ye. Me last message say Isaac Dobe me encouraging no defeat no onya no say or prepare very well no or bet me akodo na onko fatati no ba Ghana nti me say ni loss no ye advantage to him say or bet training more na wako enim na wako G title nti ye assurance say ye man no rematch no ono so bet me stop akwada no odikun ye nti me message finally Ghanaian says so omuko boxing na referee ama judgment no there is no need of throwing stones judgment no yama and say bibia unti judgment na say no ubeko review you say before the year hand yanka almost say your boxing pass say ye kun boxing arena no ye pa ye min pa Ghana those boxing fans say if amu ko boxing na referee ma judgment no amu accepting na say protest ya na amu so amu protest no nti me da wase pa
yo misme da say na o last message I would try no mestre your friend is saying it is share for say your corner your call share a good year beer your faith and your GDA or judges and wama yena omo atu ano say womo share sports no man nti say womo ba out with judgment beer as sporting fans no there year G judgment no tum say wo fi say un G judgment no tum ye we kwan a wo de fa so na wotumi de address sa situation nti menua meda wase yani George Lamte, the president of the Ghana Boxing Federation ne kasai na ansa na meko mi guest no so na ma Gini ni agitre ewo the president George Lamte ekaye no me kan your Facebook message kakra ba Emmanuel or say boss I like your show wa onwa so esaka say they can break Basa Kotoko will qualify ba Emmanuel no saka biom say Wallace look alike me feel say onimi ne kasa anyway Kwame Godfred or say hi Ahmed Abdul Ganiyu Chama 1 I greet you by Ahmed Ganiyu from Kaswa na mefi mami call me guest ni so boss say utie yenua George Lamte ni submission on my efa Ghana Boxing Federation omo ejumedi a omo di afi 2018 and about omo qualification support omo nya and omo assure Ghana for say yakupon ya aduma na omo call all African Games e wo Morocco a omo di medals ebeba ama Ghanaians who submission bia obeye efa
say me can see and che bia say international medals nya from boxing containing blay on my medals grants and America ba board the tree and ever but on my job boxing nya papa me concern about boxers ni say Edian Juma na all my boxers no who say about 5-6 years ago article be by boxers no who say 18 20 22 for an amateur for an 10 professional Edian Juma na oh it petty crimes no mark cause ni amount 10 years how the judges no mercy amount 10 12 years obi phone free ni some near money 10 years nonsense and here obi phone na your money 10 years now this guy on in am ho wow petty crimes be so koje banching upon cheap phone and so koje into boxers nippy near the uncle jail 10 years into no there to solve that first no ho you the own set is immigration police department any prisons fire service unko as a worker but who has a boxer into drew honey about for no Commonwealth Games sani say so be already 21 onyejuma no a boxer no koji obi phone na near man 15 years if I so be na was if I so be anisu I say who waste taxpayers money 15 years for stealing a phone and oka dogbe so asem no said dogbe ni rematch beba May sa man 4 years said the mimi woni corner her management na Kameka said there's no need for a rematch obesa bu dogbe bi mo be ending career dogbe send your bull no me ko share fight ni bi so share fight na different from watching it on TV if it's a body language you know about around 11 12 na dogbe on person ko referee by answer no sorry na May 6 months from here who did not go gym obe bono do ye no when defeat no beat up America for say beat up obu big pa actually say why yes obano intanka o here to now fight me no on man boxer be man confidence be around 7 be no abono na fe be around November e dey na faces are Mexican way. But in 6 months' time, boy in the confidence level no high Mexican or buy crum this on your knockout. You say fight no queen no. About 2 rounds per no winning and Ukraine convincingly. 40-50 bi. But so could Jina boy anymore. Next time about Bunoba and in the career 2 defeats my back beam.
Yo, Mr. Kansan Aka Mida say. Na yebeko G commercial yebeko commercial break kakra yebeji ye caller back home one of the association presidents na also Yajino association one review of the year na yatua ejumajino so
Bichabiana maniaje bichabi intimaniaje rof minum be mama humeka anya humeka ntima ye fine I don't go for me go I don't go for me go I'm gonna maniaje rof yeah they are buying you when I am bichabiana ye fine I don't go every day no manum I don't go for me go
Sewunya efedu watwe amenum enyema apemfo so pododo to a free 0561 200 333 and 0504 499 977
Ewo drinking spots bien
Adonko bitters edemufua
Make us free Stockholm, Sweden. Now, we did the Papa SCU. Robert David, make us free Germany.
Tell me, Switzerland. I got to Switzerland.
Kobe. Yeah, Amsterdam.
You remember that I say you are no woman on it. You almost see a kakra. You almost were who. Yes, we are here. You need to see ya. Yeah, Kabum.
And I did about one is say, old bogus what Ghana Hanokra, and you know the concept was for our chip where woman on the name of war. Atrama no de no mutifie no mukura na aso program no mu aso project no nwanwa
Munti abrochi nkomo ya kwakwa mankwa de bramo Asempa 94.7 FM semenda we enememenda bia anwumre no nsia empemu ti omanpuntu airport ene habo munsem boganie abrochi nkomo ni
original ubenya
Origin bitters dear a yendia mo. A bin for now to Amubuase. A de habama and nanwa. Helps womu kama ankasa. Nana ubeti se helps you. Helps womu. Enti muside. Drink responsibly. Not for sale to persons under 18 years of age. Not recommended for pregnant women. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Betway, for the love of the game.
Se no me no boa na oman yi mu atadi adentia efise obia etie Asempa 94.7 FM jumedie kese ayato ne din ekosi
sen on Asempa FM 94.7
ni amanyofo ebeka
na kufu ado konya no dware na fata no efeko keke na me hu ye ze se opposition se mo ya
omo nimbe bia ye gilo ndi ya di pa ogana
ye di o ma ya kan na mo body STS dey buy what's a free education I dey about no ba mo ne we so na eban etonyu lalubai baby kafo mo ma miete
ni etememufo ebeka
misika nyina 30 cities me man 9 esi amere no ma hwenkola aban no to ano auto petrol
ni ensentwofo ahwehwem di atodwa ni nyina kokosi sen Midirio Sabonsu, the Kamehone Mapamfo, the Mumfa Ekosi say Emrel, Ewa Sempa 94.7 FM. So, a Juada Ekosi Efiada, no Mienu Equapim Nunsia Enefa, Ekosi say Ewa Sempa 94.7 FM. So.
Asempa FM.
Miminde bia 12:30 shamini adorable ladies abra ye kan abudiemu nsem on and off the pitch in a feminine way say food and attracts a ladies time Asempa 94.7 FM.
Sportsman now we coach dear look sporty suits at show concert better than USA for Enshay. I've always admired one person in football, David Beckham.
Imano Ajiman Bedu minim se wadra na waso to me
any butter or attack will be okay and mouth as a cooking in the pants and a rope is a good for I some Colombian as a mumpet, your master Chiron in your penny. The dance was
Kayo, some in the beer, 12 a ladies' time on Asempa 94.7. It will be sweeter than sweet. Mavis near, Mavis Amano, Femi Fire Lady.
Which you would say when you sponsor pa? Okay, what you say ban history pan is supposed to move in total, winning pa. Ah well, and share the sports screens from Cobrewo. Live was some perfect near Doom TV so. And tia crado for a sort of form. I'm no super even watching. And yes, I'm get well. HDP. A sports screens was some perfect near Doom TV so. Coming soon. Very soon. Very soon. Very soon.
Asempa FM. Asempa FM 94.7. Asempa FM 94.7. Asempa FM 94.7.
Yo, mete for agrono ya be ye ya wo be say 10 minutes to go. Ya be call ahoma no so na ye ni the president
Asempa
of
FM.
Ghana Powerlifting Federation, Godwell a champion ededi komo kakra na yahwe powerlifting federation also omudwuma ya omudi ye afi. Good evening minua. Hello.
Good evening. This is
Yamina dumo na wo se.
Yamina dum.
Afi chapaso.
Afi continue.
Boy komo kakra 2018 powerlifting federation eko saying.
I see. First of all, Patrick, you God will large man, right?
Me da say thank you for the correction.
All right. As a 20, what's the 20 Ghana 2019?
Me see 2018 no powerlifting echo saying Emma Federation no.
Powerlifting 2018. In fact, from the beginning now, you know challenges kakra, but yamena dum. Yenya Mwaika Kra and you call Morocco for African Powerlifting Championship. And by the grace of God, you know, we were able to win the 120 plus class division. At the moment, you know, a clear side, we championship, you know, a champion that class, you know. So, and that class, you know, is what we call the super heavyweight. And, you know, when you look at the whole scenario, you know, it's like Ghana and a year the heavyweight division champion. But just what you say, you crack good this year.
But you are separate.
Now, yeah, me how can I say, you buy, you know. I'm saying, government engineer Mwai, yeah, the Bawa and we can crack.
Asempa FM.
Hotel bills, plane, and even affiliation fees, and you kika hunina association Lankasa na itias akani na ya ba no ya say bia National Sports Authority and I say sports ministry, you know, at least or maybe as I'm speaking to you know, you sports minister. Say Mr. Magic and then look about come up promise say only about sports minister no. And this guy I say it's like Unihobium. But I'm sure say government is government, you know, is continuous. And he said, "Ubi ni hono na na say new director. I trust that status quo no should be there. Say, oh, this is what we have in our agenda. Say, we go for gold amagana. Gold na ekoji no ma sorry, and I say me property. But you call in the name of Ghana. And you have gold amagana. They say glory Abagana, I think that could even do for us is to appreciate what we have done for Mother Ghana. That's what I think. But there's nothing. I mean, even the person now or no winning goes without the buy no crowd will be unfriend. Say, Osima say, even if you don't give the person money, I think the appreciation is more than enough. And I want
Asempa FM
in front of us, other championship in front of us. For instance, we are preparing for our local championship in March. Now, I don't see the letter call after that and now from there and also we have about 2 other World Championship and I want another invitation to go to Japan. So I said this women a preparation I say but I said a balance answer. It's like demoralizing in Palano because it's like you training to the extent I say if I should be a nuso I have to let's be now how can a brain the vim no I don't edit training that vim sometimes any honomo. But some of us will have to encourage them, say, they should continue training and all those things. You see, as I'm speaking to you now, the Oko winning gold Mayan, Nidini, Nyama, Ebenezer Nyama, and also Okoba, our challenges, because our ma, our Busia for, our winning to say, Wakaku with the gold. So I say, or buy a man, just nothing. In the Oma dream, Wakaku winning gold, Amagana. So definitely, no, there money to get, but there's nothing.
Well, Minya, you're bringing Nite with sentiment. I say, say most lesser known sports were the same complaint about the government not supporting the
Asempa FM.
Because I'm also the president of Bodybuilding Association. There getting into 2019. Yabema sports ministry, sports ministry, not ministry for selected sports. Inti medawase na ma catcher say keep the fight on. Na Debbie Beba will fight no. The people of Ghana bihu ana ministry bihu na eboino abba powerlifting federation no ho medawase pa Yenya your friend is saying Godwin Ajimai na oti say yanene edin komo ewa humano so na bibia yedu no mema Mr. Aka pese 1 or 2 minutes to actually comment on the Yenya Godwin Ajimai ekan it's always the same. And it's a way be a bibia sikaseba it so wo bibia
ministry na yes sports we football ministry and yes sports ministry football ministry na say cry ma boy buy say my kobo yes 12,000 e di ma ba games pure hall ma ball ma jeje medal nya ohwe you see the ma football no crowd too on still you push on the sidelines it is on my no.
Okay, for baby I do no ye pese yeji muso madwin che ewo program ya Abdul Hayati mabet na echi a mebo na say wo contribution ana wadin che ewo sports in Ghana 2018 and also Udiaba Asempa 94.7 FM your phone lines no 030 221 6545 and now ubetumi afrɛ me ɛwɔ 030 221 6545 030-221-6545 and 030-221-6546. Hello.
Hello, boss. Good evening.
Good evening.
I fish a pass, boss.
I feel covered to you.
Boss, in very what you that's it. Now, Pachana Mika, because I got to go for no, normal. Maybe Hassini. Oko Spinner, there's no way say, Real Madrid, Champions League, you know. Now, Barcelona for they said that the Real Madrid conquer Jembla. Don't find Bobo, maybe could and yes, sir. In the end, when I ever saw on the film, the end, pass any day, or Moko, or Monconco, but yes, was a film. Normal, because I'm with your mama, being. The entrance and Sharon Monka Jimba number your being. David.
Hey, you're normal, mi boy. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello.
Udin na ufrefi.
Need the mic me. Mikala pe okupanfo.
Yo mpacho mitio why?
Kotokofo omu so to the saya na.
There be draw ni yen draw ni ye.
I don't move to Muntia Mubo Tadina and I move to Musu, not a Musu to the Zai. We are Bema, Munkate, we to the Zai by a bit free. And I move more than Mukata for the Kofodia
Asempa FM.
Yeah, that was say. Hello? Me the number no esa edi 030-221-6545 030-221-6546 030-221-6545 030-221-6546. Yeah, hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, Minia.
Me my office apa Minia.
Afi ko batu ya me pacho wudin na wo frefi hi.
Afemi aze ko me frefi aburi konkonu.
Mpacho mayan ko wai.
Yedi ya bompa ma kotoko. So wonko wonim. Me de me nya na da wonim na nka wontum. Sina ayi Egypt for Israel for wokotopu kokomu. Sana kotoko fo betam na godonkodonkum. Ohun achibi na se.
Yo me da say me last caller no na akunye munu shipa akunya ye na me da yakupon ase se watumi amami adwen no ene akokodro no a matumi atena minua pen prof anemu na medi sports night show no edi abremu me producer Philip Otuo, the AK-47 gunshot man, and writer or Mabwe Juma Mami Papa Mr. Akaso Ayade, the submission it was on point, and me sister Gifty on also Abwe Juma Mami Pa Medamase Obia Otie me no. Se mi yeni ye
Asempa FM
na wa praise me ma yeni ye so a na wo de ache me we me first presentation no ye da ma say
Asempa FM 94.7